All right, today we're gonna bring a Canopy light. This one has about 5,000 to 55K color temperature. Canopy, it's outdoor graded, so you could set this indoor or outdoor. It's very secure. I'm gonna show you the back of it where you have to actually mount it. These actually expand, but you gotta loosen them up. All right, you could pass the cable through. Optional instead, you could pass it through the back too. There's all the openings in the sides. You just have to unscrew this. You could mount this to an actual pole. It has to be threaded, if you guys see. And we're gonna set this up. We're gonna open these up. These actually open up. I'm gonna show you guys how they open up. So to loosen them up, you gotta have them straight because these are a little bit strong. You tie them up in there. You put in the screw. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and hang this and see how it looks. All right, we just hung the canopy. We send the cable to the back. This thing's humongous. It's huge. We're gonna see how much we can light up in here and see how powerful it is at night. So right now we have daylight, but very sturdy. I like that we could set them up. It was very simple to just drill it. Make sure you have a good backing for it. Strong. If you're gonna put this on the ceiling, make sure you have a secure top too. So for option, make sure you could lock in the cable in the proper way. Right now, if you guys can see, it's on the side and I pass it through here so you won't see the cable too much. So I figure out the cable, right? Yellow and green is of course ground. Blue is gonna be neutral, and then brown is going to be hot. So brown is hot. All right, that's what you got to remember. It's a European connection, but we're going to connect it here. All right, we're here. It's very dark. I'm going to show you. I'm going to plug it in. That thing is bright. Whew, entire area here. It's completely bright. So if you're going to put this on the top of the ceiling, whew, lots of lumens. This will light up the entire area here. So very simple, strong light. Whew, I can't even see it. I'm too close. So in fact, this place was entire dark, and now I'm gonna turn it off before my neighbors complain. Very simple light. I hope you guys enjoy the video.